All right, we have Zoey in Lowe's. And Zoey came to me for one major issue of not being able to, the owner couldn't walk her by people without her lunging and jumping on people. She had been to previously a purely positive dog trainer, who I'm not going to mention, but this is the second client that I've had after she was done with them. I say done with them. But they actually gave this dog a Canine Good Citizenship Award, even though the jumping and the lunging wasn't solved. And then they told her basically that she's just going to have to manage it, live with it, and do her best to avoid people for the most part. Well, this poor girl lives in or poor woman lives in a apartment complex. So avoiding people is not really an option. But we're going to walk Zoey. I've had her now for a couple hours. We've been working on this. All I have is the leash in my hand and the phone in my other hand. We're going to walk by some people now and see where we're at. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Heel. Come on. So as you can see, it's just going to be impossible to fix this issue. Unbelievable. I've literally been doing this now with her for 30 minutes. And we're walking, I have the leash draped over my thumb, by people. Let's pass by some more people here. Let's see if we can find some people. Here's a lady in a scooter. I'm gonna catch her. Come on. Come on. Good. Here's some tight quarters here with some people. Heel. Good. So we weaved through two people there in the aisle. I couldn't get the good camera angle, but we passed by the lady in the handicapped scooter, so no issues there. And basically, all I've done with this dog is say no to her, and with my body language, a couple good timed little leash correction pops, and I stay calm, and she kind of feeds off my body energy and my body language, and I mean, that's it. I mean, I'm sure they were trying to give her treats when she wasn't jumping and all that stuff, but really they're trying to make it sound more difficult than it really is. It's pretty tough. All right, we'll see you later. Toodles.